Katie Price will not face further action for her car crash after disappointed police said they can't appeal her soft sentence. The star, 43, was told she could have killed someone after taking drugs and drinking. Price, who was on her 6th road ban at the time, flipped her BMW X5 after an all-night bender. She pleaded guilty to drink driving and driving while disqualified and without insurance. But she was handed a suspended 16-week jail term plus community service at sentencing last month because she attended rehab. Angry Sussex police chiefs wanted to appeal the sentence, saying Price was extremely lucky not to be spending Christmas behind bars. But last night, following a review, they admitted there are no legal grounds to launch an appeal. A forced spokesman added, "This is disappointing." Price was nearly twice the drink-drive limit and tested positive for cocaine after the 6 a.m. crash in Partridge Green, West Sussex. Meanwhile, in a social media rant yesterday, Price accused ex-Peter Andre's wife Emily, 32, of using my children to make money in photo shoots. Junior Dr. Emily's representative was approached for comment.